Hi. I don't think we've met. I'm John.
Hi, John. I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too. How's your day going?
It's going well, thanks. Just trying to meet some new people. How about you?
Same here. Where are you from?
I'm from Chicago. I just moved to Boston a few months ago. What about you?
I live here in Boston. I've been here for about 6 years.
Oh, cool. I'm still learning my way around the city.
Boston is a fun place. A little crazy sometimes, but you'll like it.
I hope so.
So, what do you do for work?
I'm a data analyst. I work at a healthcare company. What do you do?
I work in finance. I'm a project manager at an investment company.
Nice. Did you study finance in college?
Yeah, I studied finance at NYU. How about you?
I studied statistics at the University of Illinois.
That's great. Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I do. It keeps me busy, but I like it.
So, do you work in the office or from home?
It's hybrid. 3 days in the office, 2 at home. You?
Same. I like the mix.
Yeah, it's a nice balance.
So, what do you like to do when you're not working?
I love hiking, visiting museums, and trying new coffee shops.
Nice. I enjoy cooking, playing guitar, and I just started learning Spanish.
That's so cool. Why Spanish?
I want to travel more, and it seemed like a fun language to learn.
I'd love to travel too. So many places to see.
Maybe one day we'll both work from a beach in Spain.
Oh, yeah. Let's make that the goal.
Okay, Sarah, now it's time to go. It was really nice to meet with you. Hope we will see each other soon.
Same here, John. See you soon.